Schizo.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, uh. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We gonna drink it like a double cup. I said, put your hands up, put your hands up. We gonna drink it like a double cup. Look, yeah, every time we be dealing like a villain, we be doing this, so we ready for
A rapping place. I'm gonna do this shit while I smack her face. Masterpiece, and I'm gonna get it down under like it was another leash.
yeah, big flow. Let's get so glad, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Put your hands up, yo. Put your hands up, put your hands up. Got the proof in the booth. Every time we got it too. We 100% proof. The alcohol. Every time we running down the hall. We be doing this all day. We ready to ball. We just got it all. We just on top. And the world is closer to the stop. Now see, I'm not even rhyming anymore.
It was good. You don't always have to rhyme like every sentence either. You could do like every 2 or 3
I
too.
know what the problem is. I need a cigarette.
You need a cigarette, huh? All right, man.
Weirdly enough, cigarettes, they calm me down to where I can actually start thinking and processing things. But when I don't have a cigarette, I'm like this. I'm like, that sucks.